This video will cover how to pack a tri-bike in a Bikeflights Bike Box Extra Large or BBXL for the 2024 USA Triathlon National Championships in Atlantic City, New Jersey. The BBXL was designed to be large enough so that you don't have to remove your handlebars and stem. The exact process may vary depending on the size of your bike, but typically you will need to do the following things. Remove pedals. Remove your front and rear wheels. And if you have disc brakes, place a spacer or piece of cardboard in your brake calipers to prevent the pads from coming together. We recommend removing disc brake rotors so they do not get bent or damaged in transit. Protect your axles with the supplied axle protectors to prevent them from rubbing holes in the side of the box or rubbing against your frame or other wheels during transit. Remove bottle cages. Remove or lower your seat post. You can save this step for last if you're using a work stand, just don't forget it. Use one of the included block and axle spacers to support your frame's fork. Install the second axle spacer in your frame's rear dropouts. Secure the other block beneath your bottom bracket so your chain rings do not come in contact with the bottom of the box. We recommend that you remove your rear derailleur, but if you decide to keep it on, shift into the easiest gear and route your chain around the dropout spacer. If you have a very forward position, you may need to slide your handlebars back. It's very important to place your frame inside of the divider and place your protected wheels outside of the divider. This prevents damage by keeping your wheels and frame from coming in contact with each other. Then use the provided bungees to secure everything in place, including small parts like your seat post and pedals. You'll have plenty of space for spare wheels. The BBXL accommodates shipping up to 70 pounds. For other small parts like bottle cages, seat bags, rotors, etc., we recommend making a small parts box. This prevents loose items from moving around in your bike box during transit and causing damage to your bike. Now that your bike is packed, you can create your labels. Depending on the package you selected, the next time you see your bike, Nirvana Travel will have it assembled and tuned up or safely waiting for you to assemble it. Give this video a like, and for more helpful packing and shipping related videos, subscribe to the Bikeflights YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.